My name is Jean-Marc Pellerin. I'm the president of Pellerin Laundry Machinery Sales Company Incorporated. We are a distributor for industrial and commercial laundry equipment. We sell equipment to professional users. We've maintained a relationship for 2 years now. We've done 2 implementations with them. I knew that we could adapt on the fly better than we could in our previous system. And so we had a very short time frame. From first phone call to NetSuite to go live was 5 months. They were great through the whole process, and then we used them a little bit for maintenance, but I knew that we were going to do multiple implementations because we needed to get the traditional accounting set up and make sure that the company runs on day one after startup. And so we did a second implementation with Bryant Park and focused on warehousing and supply chain. And we'll continue to do that every 18 months to 24 months. The speed of information, the data collection, it's one of the things I wish I understood prior to doing this is how much you're going to have to reorganize the positions inside your own company. Processes will change. The people don't have to, but the processes will change. You will be doing things differently. You take out a lot of the speed bumps. In our old system, it took us almost a month to close a month. I mean, we're closing the month in 12 days now. The data that we can extract is so much faster. We can make decisions that we ultimately couldn't have made previously. Bryant Park came best prepared to explain to us what they could do for us and not just be a technical partner. They really understood our business. Every business is different, but they all have to accomplish the same things. We're not so special, right? But Alec came in with specific implementations he had done in the past that he thought would apply to what we were trying to do. He explained how he helped them get through the process. And he was the most prepared. It was one of those situations where you get done with all the interviews and you just look at each other and you're going, do we even have to vote on this? We know who we're going to go with, right? And we didn't have to sleep on it. It was a quick decision.
Brought to you by Bryant Park Consulting, a NetSuite Alliance partner.